Aloha, this is Reverend Kayala Vi with DreamAnalysisHandbook.com, and you can find our book on that site, Dream Analysis Handbook, which is great, of course. This is white. The color white indicates either of two things. It could be the albedo effect, which is the whitening or purification of yourself, or it could mean the mother complex, which is the mother complex is simply who you had to become to be around your mother. Or another way of putting that is, what did you think your mother expected from you? So it's either the albedo, the whitening aspect, or the mother complex. Then we go to red. Red is emotional. It's all the emotions, often anger or frustration, love. It is emotion. The color orange. Orange is the sannyasin, the student, the person who is learning. Yellow is the masculine, and pink is the feminine. And then we have green. Green is healing and growth. Just as the shrubs and trees and plants are green, they are also healing and signs of growth. Blue. Blue indicates your higher thinking, or your spiritual, or your intuitive. And then we have purple, and purple is a combination of red and blue, so it could be considered a emotional intuitive or higher thinking, or it also could be, just mean royalty for some people. You have to kind of look at your history about that, but it's normally considered to be an intuitive or higher thinking emotional aspect. Then you have gold. Gold is very important because it signifies your original self, who you were before you had programs written on your soul, or imprints from your parents, your society. It's going back to the original self, and the more refined you become in your dreams, the more gold you will have because you're returning to your original self. And then we have black. And black indicates two things also. It can either be the prima materia, which is the original self, the original working materials that you had to work with in the original self, or it can mean contamination, as in a contamination on your soul, the imprints that contaminated the original self. And you have to look at your dream. If somebody's dirty or dark, it could be a contaminated aspect. If black is the color of something, you want to look at, is it the original material, or is it a contamination? So you have to look at the content of your dreams. So there are your colors in short form. For Dream Analysis Handbook, DreamAnalysisHandbook.com. Aloha.